Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a really fun weekend in my life in New York City, so come along, let's have some fun. It's Friday. Currently I'm just getting some things wrapped up for the weekend. Lots of apartment updates. I'm having a housewarming party in a few weeks, so just getting some things checked off the list. Having a great day so far. I'm just here at the desk.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Is it the best thing that we have?
No, it's lazy.
Oh, is it warm?
Oh, that's good. I mean, it's a donut.
We've got like all yard games. Oh, are you loving it? What flavor? It's like pumpkin spice flavor, right?
I mean, it's a donut.
Does it taste like pumpkin spice?
A little bit.
It is a beautiful, beautiful day. I have to say, this is like.
Oh, do you know today's the last official day of summer?
It's the last official day of summer. Yeah, but my mom is in the city today because we have some fun food events and we're having a fun day. Yeah.
Getting to enjoy the weather, last of it.
We're currently on Randall's Island and you get a nice Manhattan view. I've been to music.
Under the Triborough, which isn't called the Triborough anymore.
No, RFK.
RFK.
I've been to music festivals here. Now this was a food festival. We went to Chain Fest, which it's basically like big chain restaurants and then they do like a small, it's not even a tasting menu, it's like they all offer one item.
Right.
And now we've got to get out of here and go all the way to Tribeca for a really fun event that you're really excited for.
Yes. Oh, wait, am I covering stuff? You have to come back.
No, you're not.
I might have hit something. I'm fearful.
Nope, you're fine. Skims top. This was a great purchase, I do have to say.
I love it.
I've been wearing it every single day. This is actually Wrangler X Stout. My New Balance shoes because I'm on sport mode. And then, all of this, I have to say, all of this fun jewelry because I've been trying to elevate my jewelry game.
So
Hand
cute.
chain, whatever, electric picks.
It was the first thing I complimented
I know,
you
my mom
on.
was like,
well,
wow,
I
you
said
really
you look
upped.
beautiful, and then
Oh,
I was like,
thank
oh my
you.
God, the jewelry.
That's so nice. We met some really nice subscribers in there.
Oh,
That was really fun. So thank you guys for always saying hi. And now we have another food event. Let's go. Living your best life over here. This was fantastic. 10 out of 10 brand event. So I finally got those like sweatpant jeans. If you follow Danielle, you've probably heard about these. She's been trying to get me to get them for a while. At first I didn't understand it because I was like, oh, okay, like the fit style is like a sweatpant. No, these are quite literally a sweatpant. That's like the fabric of the interior, and then it's like printed on to look like a jean. I feel like these were popular for a few months, but like kind of underrated. And then I feel like they hit, and like a bunch of people started finding out about them. And then I saw some slander. Now they do look like pajama jeans, if you know what those are. Those are, I feel like were popular in like what, the 90s and 2000s. Kind of the same concept, but these are rag and bone, so they're like premium. Am I gonna convert all of my jeans to these? Like absolutely not, but I think it's fun to have a pair like for travel, for, yeah, they're also like lightweight to just throw in a bag, like if you're doing a weekend trip or something. I don't know. I mean, loose fitting. I'm wearing a size medium. Let me show you what the bottoms and everything look like, because I think people have issues obviously with the way that this all looks because there's no actual hardware and it's like elastic waist. They're actually like the perfect length on me. I got them from Revolve. It's just where I found them in stock. So I'm happy with them. I mean, we were just having a good like little laugh about them because Ben was like, I mean, I don't think he would know that they were sweatpants unless I told him. Like, if you look from afar, you really wouldn't know. But then we were like sitting next to each other, and he was like, I mean, now that I know, like they do look like sweatpants, but comfort. We have some updates back here in terms of like, there's like a bench, and I'm flattening out a little like rug runner thing that I'm gonna put in the hallway. I just have like, you know, when like you get a rug and it has like the dents in it. Right now I'm flattening them out with the books that I have here. Also, these were like $7 on Amazon. I got some tissue box covers just because I've had some crazy tissue boxes and I was kind of sick of looking at the patterns, so I got a few of these for the apartment. I can link them below, and they're on my Amazon shop. I'm super happy with them. They're just like minimal. They just kind of chill. I feel like it's just like a little way to elevate. I am starting to pack and organize. I'm going to Nantucket on Tuesday, so this is kind of like the pack and prep vlog for that too. The next vlog will be the Nantucket vlog. I figured I would show a little packing and prep here, and I'm gonna do that while I throw something on the TV. I really want to watch Tell Me Lies season 2. I watched all of season 1. Now I want to watch season 2. I think it's on Hulu. I'm trying to think what else is out right now though, because there's a lot of good content that like I feel like I need to catch up on. Oh, I also wanted to watch the Mormon Wives show. I think I'm gonna watch that first, because Tell Me Lies is like, it's not that it's so dark and heavy. One of my favorite books of all time. It is dark and heavy, but I feel like Mormon Wives is more culturally, I mean, they're both culturally relevant right now, I guess, but it was only on episode 1. Yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
New TV acquired. It doesn't look so different, but it actually is a frame TV for out here. Even though it's not flush on the wall, I love the frame TV in the bedroom so much that I decided I wanted this one out here, because you can put like wallpaper on it and it'll look cute, and yeah. About to head out to record the podcast. I'm wearing this dress. It's from Simon Miller, but it's rented from Rent the Runway. I just decided to put my hair back. A lot of makeup, full coverage, very full coverage today. Shout out Armani Luminous Silk Foundation for getting me through this tough skin time. We're podcasting. What else do I have to do the rest of today? I just had therapy. I feel like I do my therapy like middle of the day, which sometimes like breaks it up a little weird, because I'm like a lot of self-reflection and then just like jump right back into work, but like that's just what happened today. I think in the future I want to try to schedule it like end of the day, because I feel like it's more like an end of the day vibe for me personally. Anyways, it's probably a little too warm to be wearing the sweater dress today. It's like 70 degrees, but I figured for podcasting it would be cute. These earrings are from Electric Picks. Oh, they gave me a discount code for you guys. It's Brook20 if you want to check that out. I'm wearing a lot of Electric Picks right now. I can link below. This is like a Van Cleef Electric Picks. This Electric Picks. These are my manifestation bracelets, if you know, you know. And then this is Electric Picks. So let's go to Manhattan. Let's go to the podcast studio. Let's get some stuff done today.
Hello, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to Gals on the Go podcast. I'm Danielle.
I'm Brooke, and we are joined by 2 very special guests today.
Our brothers.
Welcome to Gals on the Go, Sal and Freddie. How are we doing?
Doing well.
We've got some men's voices on the pod today. Some low, got some baritones.
Is this the first time?
No, but it's been a minute.
Yeah.
We don't have a lot of dudes here.
Guys on the go, bros. I was trying to think of like
Bros on the go? I like bros on the go.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, guess who kind of flopped at vlogging the past few days? It's me. We're going to be packing right now, finalizing packing for Nantucket, and then we're heading out to the airport. So I figured that this would be like a good segment of the vlog. This is the packing situation for Nantucket, and then I'm putting stuff aside because I get back from Nantucket, I have a few hours to come back here, and then I am like swapping out my suitcase essentially and getting ready to go to Tuscaloosa, Alabama for a trip this weekend. Wow. I'm wearing the Rag & Bone sweatpant jeans. I'm calling them pajama jeans, and this sweater is from Quince. It's like a wraparound, cute. I got a blowout because I figured it will last me the whole time I'm there. I don't have to worry about doing my hair really, except for the touch-up tool that I bring, this Bondi Boost like heated thermal brush, which comes in clutch. Oh, I'm so excited. I got sent an early release of the new Rebecca Yarros book, so I'm bringing this. Bringing a bunch of books, honestly, because I just want to have options. I'm like a few pages into Remarkably Bright Creatures, and I'm reading Fleischman is in Trouble on my Kindle. You guys know I have to read on my Kindle at night because, like, you know, it's like I'm gonna share a bed, so that's what I do there. And then for my physical books, I mean, there's no way I'm gonna get through all of these. It's just a matter of having options so that I have things to turn to if I want to, you know? This is gonna be my carry-on bag, my little LL Bean tote, LL Bean X Shop Abode. I have my CB Positano bag. This has like some essentials in it. I've been back on the Let Me Sleep. My gosh, these knock you out. I take 1 instead of 2 and they still knock me out into the new millennium, it feels like. I have this little like pill organizer. It's not really so organized, but I keep like my seed and stuff in it. It's a good bag. Mini Mason Pearson brush will also go in there. I need to, oh, I have it. I was like, I need hand sanitizer. We've got it. I also have been bringing wet wipes with me. So I feel like these need something sticky, I don't stick with them. My computer will also go in there. It's gonna be like chilly and I wanna do like coastal grand vibes. I'm trying to find like, not a jacket. I thought I had a bigger version. I think my grandma got me this one. I love the scarves that, you know, you use as a jacket. Shawls, that's what they're called, yeah. You know, so you can like kind of wrap yourself in it. I have like a really cream colored one. This is like more like an oatmeal. Sunnies, cute. I've been getting a lot of my sunglasses from this brand 11th Hour. I feel like they're super fun. I'm excited about how the bedroom is coming along, and we're gonna do wallpaper on this wall, and I ordered some samples. I'm really excited about it. So I just wanted to say that. I feel like we're finally finding a place for everything, and things are just like looking a lot more like cohesive and neater and things. So yeah, just happy about that. Just wanted to say we put Philips Hue bulbs in these sconces so like we can control them, like dim them and stuff. It's like a nice little reading light at night. I have my hatch. Clara is wearing her Birkenstocks, I think. She sent a picture of her outfit. I'm like, should I wear my Birkenstocks or should I wear sneakers? I have to decide. Hello, my closet. I'm really about to be gal on the go mode though. I'm just letting these pimple patches marinate, don't mind me. I was supposed to be starting Accutane this week, because this was like the 1 month of me making the appointment to like start the Accutane process, but I didn't get enrolled in the iPledge website, which is basically saying that like you're not gonna get pregnant, which is like to monitor, because you have to get a monthly pregnancy test when you're on Accutane. I didn't get enrolled in that system until a week later, so technically this would be the week I'm eligible to start Accutane, but I'm traveling, so I'm going to officially start next week. They don't just give it to you. You have to really fight for it. But at the same time, I'm kind of appreciative because they do like blood tests and stuff to make sure that like your levels are right, because they check like your liver enzymes and stuff to make sure that the medication isn't like too strong for you. So just wanted to share that. I'm sure I'll be sharing more about my Accutane journey. I'm starting on the lowest dose, but that'll be next week. So this will be the fit. Sweatband jeans. I was saying that I'm about to be true gal in the go mode though, because it's this trip, and then I have, like I said, come back that day, change, you know, repack for Alabama, and then come back that night, wake up the next day, and I do a 1 night quick overnight somewhere else. So lots of travels, but I cannot complain. I'm very excited about it. I also said yes to everything. So it's also just like a week of it being like that. And I have to say, I love the fact that I get to come home in between, because I am a homebody, and the fact that it's like, even if it's 1 night or just an afternoon of coming home, like that to me is essential. Apparently there's a lot of traffic. Pretty sure that the last time that I went on a plane was to go to Italy, which is crazy. That was like in May. Wow. Yeah, I just really didn't, I feel like I did like more like road trips and stuff this summer, more like casual stuff. Did I show you guys that the frame is all set up? I set it on this background of llamas. I thought it was silly. I need to order a frame for the frame, even though like well, I guess it's called a bezel, is like what the frame part of it is called. This is just like the standard, but I want to order like a black, thicker, like it, so it looks like it's like a picture. It's not going to actually look like a picture because it is off the wall, but because it's matte, it looks really nice and does like, it can, you know, when you look quickly, look like a picture. And I need to hide this wire, so I need to get an electrician in here. But for the most part, we're looking pretty good in here. I knew that things wouldn't even be close to done for the housewarming, but I was like, as long as it looks put together. The rug for here is coming next week. Actually, in the rug for here too, so you'll have to stay tuned for the next home vlog, because that will have those things in it. All right, we're heading to the airport now. I'll update you guys when we're with the girlies. Yay! I'm gonna wear my Birks.